Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
To grow the center chest, you must understand anatomy and set clear goals. The sternal head of the pectoralis major spans the middle sternum and contributes most to central thickness. Focus on exercises that direct force toward the midline, use a 45-degree incline or flat bench with a narrower hand placement, and control the tempo. For hypertrophy, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, rest 60 to 90 seconds, and train the center chest 2 to 3 times per week while progressing load gradually. Select exercises that converge force toward the sternum. Start with incline dumbbell press at 45 degrees to bias sternal fibers and squeeze at the top for 2 seconds. Use cable crossovers low to high with a slight forward lean, perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, and pause briefly on each contraction to shape the center line. Include narrow grip barbell or machine press for 8 to 10 reps with a controlled descent, and add slow eccentric-only sets once per week to increase time under tension. Program around progressive overload and recovery. Increase weight, reps, or tempo every 2 to 3 weeks to drive adaptation. Structure workouts with 3 chest-focused sessions per week or 2 intensive sessions and 1 light technique day. Allow 48 to 72 hours recovery between heavy center chest sessions. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours sleep, manage stress, and follow nutrition for hypertrophy by eating 0.7 to 1 gram protein per pound of body weight and a 200.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.